Hey guys, today let's learn how to unsend a message that hasn't been delivered. But since we do want to delete this message and basically unsend this message, since it has not been delivered yet, you could actually go ahead and do so by long pressing on that specific message, clicking on More. And as you can see, it is now selected right there. And over here on the very bottom left part of the screen, you have a dumpster icon or a trash bin icon. So I want you to click on that. And as you can see, it's going to give you the option to delete the message. And of course, in order for you to delete that message, it's going to be the same as sending the message and click on Delete Message. And now the message has been unsent, and it is now gone. Of course, the other recipient will also not receive that message, since it did not get delivered. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And again, this has been How to Web.